So we about to take these little fishing poles, go try to catch some shellcracker, but that's something I want to do first. We gone fishing.
John boat, rust flakes floating in the hull. Mrs. T got a red bandana and a rusty coffee can full of holes.
This is my old 1999 stepside Chevy pickup. And you know what? It ain't got no backup camera. So on my old dually, I bought one, put it on there, but it ain't available no more. So guess what I got? A backup camera for this one. Same name brand. I'll put a link in the description. I knew my other one did good. We're gonna put one on this truck and see how it does. These things are pretty simple to install. It's basically got the monitor goes on the dash. This thing right here goes back there on your tag light. You can hook it up to your park lights, reverse lights, or whatever. My dually, I hooked them up on the reverse lights. I'm gonna change that. This one I'm gonna put on my park lights. So back there is wireless. You just hook it up to your tag light or something. Up here, got a little mount and plug a darn thing up into your cigarette lighter or whatever. That's it. And no, not sponsored, but there is an affiliate link down below. Check this out. Turn the park lights on. Y'all have to put up with the dinging for a second. Then plugged up the cigarette lighter. Cut that on. Welcome. And there it is. Now, the reason I did this is once in a while with my other truck, you know, you might pull up, reposition or something to kind of, you know, if you're off, but then it takes a second for the camera to come back on. I don't know if this one's the same way, but I just said, you know what? Easy enough. I cut my park lights on. No matter what I'm doing, I can see right out the back. Let's go fishing. All right, let's see if I can hold this camera straight on the other camera and drive and back up to the doggone trailer. And I'm going up a hill. Look, would you look at that? I'm about to gonna tell you what. We gone fishing.
Y'all subscribe to T-Bone After Hours.
Do your thing.
Subscribe to T-Bone After Hours. Subscribe to T-Bone After Hours.
Pack's landing. And here we are. Alrighty, just the cruising just put in. Mrs. T is in assist mode. We're going over yonder to the swamp. Sorry about the wind, folks. You reckon you get lost up in this place quick? Tell you what, that's all it is, all around us. Say hey everyone, Mrs. T. There's nothing back here, just a swamp.
T-Bone got a beat of John boat, rust flakes floating in the hull. Mrs. T got a red bandana and a rusty coffee can full of holes. They slide out where the water turns midnight, breathing that wet green stain, Spanish moss dripping like cobwebs, where the catfish grow teeth in your dreams. T-Bone and Mrs. T gone fishing at Santee, gator sneaking, eyes gleaming, waiting patient in the reeds. Oh yeah, snakes hanging in the trees, like ropes ready to swing if the swamp wants blood. The swamp gon' take what it needs. Mosquitoes hum like black wires, sweat crawling down his spine. She laughs low, flips a pocket knife, says, baby, We ain't towing no line. Ripple on the Gold Coast shadow, tail slide right under their feet. Somewhere deep that mud starts talking in a voice that grinds like meat. Oh, T-Bone and Mrs. T gone fishing at Santee. Gator sneaking, eyes gleaming, waiting patient in the reeds. Hey, snakes hanging in the trees, like ropes ready to swing. If the swamp wants blood, the swamp gon' take what it needs. Shivers on the black glass water. He feels teeth in the dark. She just pulls a collar, says if they want us, let them come see. Lowe's one shell, smile slow. It ain't just them hungry. Whoa, T-Bone and Mrs. T gone fishing at Santee. Gator sneaking, eyes gleaming, drawing closer from the weeds. Snakes hanging in the trees, hissing soft in the breeze. If the swamp wants blood, the swamp gon' take what it needs. T-Bone and Mrs. T just laughing in the heat. If the law wants bodies, it can drag that river clean.
T-Bone, it's a little one. Don't even look, y'all. Just look away. Just look away. Mrs. T up here giggling. Little pole, little fish. Don't need no nasty comments down in the daggum comment section now. Y'all behave yourself. It's a family channel. It's a runaway fish, y'all. I done lost him. Where'd he go? Come here, little buddy. Take him, put him in your aquarium. I'm gonna throw him over and let Mrs. T catch him.
When you catch it, give me one of that. Yeah, well, little baby.
Mrs. T got a baby. Show the camera back there, baby. You can talk to them, they can hear you. Get him, baby. I told y'all, she's gonna get me right now. You watch, here she comes. Here she comes knocking.
He is feisty.
That bad boy was going. Good job,
Bouncing
baby.
off the trees.
That's a nice one right there, sweetheart. Uh-oh. Mrs. T barely got him. She got him there. Good job, baby. Mrs. T really didn't want to clean fish, did she? You know I wouldn't make her clean fish.
I know how to do it, though.
She knows how to do it. She cleaned many in her lifetime. Awesome job, baby.
And that was on a cricket.
Cricket. Cricket's paying off. Let's load them up with crickets. Mrs. T breaking in that new rod. Ain't you, baby?
Yep, it's nice.
She likes it, y'all. See, I told you I wouldn't get in trouble. She said, you got too many rod and reels, and I show up with two more. But see, the trick was, they wasn't for me. Catch nothing, darling. She's giving me that look. Y'all didn't see that look. Look around there at him, baby.
I can't see him right there. Okay, I guess I got him. He must be a little one. Maybe not.
Here she goes. Here she goes. Uh-oh. Here she goes. Get him, baby. Get him, baby. Look at her go. She is on it today, y'all. Tell you what. I'm just gonna sit over here and watch is what I need to do. Ain't no point in me even casting no more.
There's another cricket.
That's another cricket.
Fish on. What happened to the net?
I got it. She got nothing, y'all.
Well, he's kind of small, but...
A little smaller, but still eating size, y'all. Given the low quantity, we're gonna have enough to mess with when we get home. How about that?
Fish. Boy, he is gone.
And she got another one. Get it, baby.
I don't even know where he went. He took off around that tree.
She wrapped around the tree, y'all. Let's see. Oh. Trying to get over there to you.
Did he get off?
No, you're gonna have to go over my head
got off.
over this way. I'm gonna get you around the trolling motor. He must have got off. Give me a line.
No, he's still on.
All right, come over my head and I'm gonna take the boat over that way. I'll get you around there. Hold on, y'all, we getting there. Keep pressure, don't let him get loose.
Well, he's under something. Or...
He's around a stump right there.
Okay.
There he is, you got him, you got him, you got him, baby.
Oh, look at pretty one.
Yeah. Is
Boy,
the trolling motor off?
He took off, buddy. I mean, I was fishing over there.
You got him, bring him in. Good job, baby. Yeah, Mr. T catch some doggone fish, ain't it? Tell you what. Get him, baby. It's all because I'm baiting the hook, right?
Yeah, he's good luck, y'all.
It's my touch, that's what it is. Except it ain't working on my crickets.
John boat, rust flakes floating in the hull. Mrs. T got a red bandana and a rusty coffee can full of holes. They slide out where the water turned midnight, breathing that wet green stain. Spanish moss dripping like cobwebs, where the catfish grow teeth in your drains. T-Bone and Mrs. T gone fishing at Santee. Gator sneaking, eyes gleaming, waiting patient in the reeds. Oh yeah, snakes swamp gon' take what it needs. Mosquitoes hum like black wires, sweat crawling down the spine. She laughs low, flips a pocket knife, says, baby, we ain't towing no line. Ripple on the bow, cold shadow, tail slide right under their feet. Somewhere deep that mud starts talking in a voice that grinds like meat. Oh, T-Bone and Mrs. T gone fishing at Santee. Gator sneaking, eyes gleaming, waiting patient in the reeds. Hey, snakes hanging in the trees like ropes ready to swing. If the swamp wants blood,